Alright, we're standing right outside Carson Pirie, which is officially closed. It closed back in 2016, 2018-ish. And here's the elevator. See what it's like today. So obviously we're the see, second floor, first floor, basement. And I get to just take a peek. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually on still. So this thing has been sitting down there for the past couple years. And plus, this is a Dover, not a Westinghouse. It was a Dover. Yep. See, right in the basement, turned on, and it's probably a big jolt, so he rides it. And in the store, see nothing. See, even I try, see, locked. And it's out.